Wow, I mean, 100 years of a company is just, it's crazy. That's a legacy brand. Some of them don't last that long, so it just means a lot.
Because I think it's unheard of in this day and age for a company to be 6 generations deep, and we have the 7th now working here with us. It's a very unique position to be in, and it's a great family-owned company in a great work environment.
We started making pretzels as a family business, as a Spanish family, back in 1896. We became Unique Pretzel Bakery in 1921. We were still making soft pretzels even when I was a baby, and I grew up in a house next to the business before we moved here to 215 East Bellevue, and we were in a garage.
This is the old bakery.
I mean, at the beginning, it's certainly my father and my grandfather's input. I mean, he was instrumental in going from that hearth oven to a mass production oven line and making the same split open pretzel that we have.
That split pretzel became our foundation, what made us different. As you grow and hire new employees, and the employees that have been with us that long, who have seen the growth from nothing to where we are today, you're giving them hugs.
Unique Pretzels is truly a family-owned and operated company when I came on board. What that means is, as they were growing, I was the 50th person on staff. So I don't think they've reached 50 people before me. I believe we're up to 80 now.
It's so much more easy to get up in the morning on those days when you're dog tired, or you're working hard, or you're working long days, to work and to do something, and that's your reward. It's everything else comes secondary. You're going to work for the enjoyment and to be part of something bigger. That's what gets me going, and that's what drives me, is all these employees that work here. Without them, I wouldn't have a store to have anything. Without the employees, I wouldn't have a reason to have us grow. Or we wouldn't have pretzels to sell if they weren't good quality products.
It's not your run-of-the-mill production facility where it's go, 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 and we don't care about our people. It's totally the opposite. So people are first, and pretzels are second.
Being somewhere where you matter, and every single person here has something that makes the product what it is and what the customers love.
I can say that in my 30 years in the industry, I've been in a lot of facilities all over the world. None that I would have ever chosen to work in, aside from Unique Pretzel Bakery. And that's attributed to the people, the atmosphere, and the camaraderie amongst the troops.
100 years of a company, it shows legacy, it shows commitment, it shows the ability to withstand a long time and continue to be a brand that people want.
Why did we get incorporated as Unique? No idea. But what a neat challenge. It is a name to live up to. It doesn't allow you to settle. You have to really say, what will make it stand out, and not stand out for 1 year or 2 years? What will make it stand out for a long time? What makes it almost impossible to duplicate? So there's a lot of things that make us unique, for sure. The ability to make things that nobody else can make is really cool.